Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. An integer is subtracted from its square. The result could be which of the following? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how we can solve this. So an integer, name it x, is subtracted from its square. Subtracted from x square. Okay, what do we know? A negative integer. Could it be a negative integer? Well, if x is a negative integer, then this would be positive, and negative times negative is positive, so that will be positive. If x is a positive integer, then it would be a positive number minus a positive number. But x squared is always greater or equal to x. The only way they could be equal if x is 0. So it couldn't be never a negative integer. So that's not a solution. That couldn't be the result, this one. An odd integer. Well, okay, how we can write this? We can write this up in another way. If we put x in front, we have x minus 1. Because if we multiply with x, then it will be x squared minus x. Okay, so it's x times x minus 1, and x is an integer. So what do we know? There are actually two consecutive integers. So if like x is 3, then it's 3 minus 1, 2, 3 times 2. They are consecutive ones. And what can we know about consecutive integers? Well, one of them has to be a multiple of 2. One of them has to be even. Because even numbers are 2 away, so either this or this will be an even number. And if we multiply an even number with an odd number, that will always be an even integer. So that's not true. And actually we solved the problem because we said already that there are two consecutive integers. So this is the answer, and they are not even consecutive integers. So see what can be. Answer is D. That actually was. These problems are most of the time easy if you can understand what they are asking for. So most of the times they are actually difficult because you are under time pressure. So that's why it's important to solve many of the same kind of problems, because then it will build a routine for you, and you will your brain just see it and yeah, we solve it like that. And that's why important solving problems. So yeah, that's our final answer. Did you manage to solve it? Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. There's already one waiting for you in the description.